Okay, guys, it's time to make our homemade corn tostadas. You're going to measure out 1 cup of your corn masa and third cup of water. So make sure you have a bowl, a large spoon, your corn masa, and your water all measured out, and a pinch of salt, which you would literally just grab a pinch with your fingers. So you're going to mix that together and slowly drizzle in the water, mixing as you go. You can use the spoon to start mixing, but then use your hands until you get the consistency of what feels like a really nice Play-Doh. You're going to want to let it sit for 15 minutes for the water to be fully incorporated into the masa. If you need to add a little more water, go ahead. Just do a couple drops. If not, then go ahead and let that sit for a little bit. Then you're going to pinch off about 2 tablespoons size, depending on the size of your tortilla press. And you're going to pinch that off, and you're going to roll it in your hand into a little ball. And then you're going to place that in between 2 pieces of freezer paper. The freezer paper works really nice so it doesn't stick to the actual tortilla press. And the freezer paper has one shiny side and one dull side. So you want to make sure that you are putting the corn tostada in between the 2 shiny sides. It'll help it not go. Look how beautiful those tostadas work, right? So you're going to put these into a preheated skillet. It's going to be a medium-high. Please be careful with the heat. Ask supervision. Ask somebody to help you if you need the help with that. You're going to carefully put these on. See how they're pretty soft, and they could rip. This is one of those things you make. Practice makes perfect. We're going to keep trying over and over. If they fall apart, redo it again. Add a little water and try again. You're going to cook them for about a minute or 2 on each side, depending on how hot you have it. And then you're going to flip it, cook it on the other side, and then you're going to place them in between a towel like I see here or show here to keep them warm until you do the rest of them.